We're going to learn algebraic translations in this video. Let's do the first question. The first question says, a girl thinks of a number. She multiplies the number by 3 and then adds 2. Her answer is 70. And the question says to work out the number that the girl is thinking of. So, a girl thinks of a number, she multiplies the number by 3 and then adds 2. Her answer is 70. Work out the number that the girl is thinking of. So let's translate this English line by line into algebra. The first line says a girl thinks of a number. Do we know what a number is? No, we don't. Now, if we do not know something about a question, what do we do with it? We use X for it. We don't know what a number is, so we say that our number, the number is X. Okay, she multiplies the number by 3. Now X multiplied by 3, this becomes a 3x, and then she adds 2, like after multiplying it, adding 2 to it, so 3x plus 2. And then her answer, when this is done, her answer, that means we know that the answer means equals to, is 17. Now we know that this can be 3x is equals to 17 minus 2. 3x is equals to 15. X is equals to 15 upon 3. X is equals to 5. Beg your pardon. Alright, let's try another question. For example, let's take another question. Another question can read that each crate of eggs contains X eggs. A man buys 3 of these crates of eggs. He finds 12 broken eggs. And now the man has just 39 good eggs. How many eggs can each crate contain? Now in this question, the question says that each crate of eggs contains XX. Alright. So each crate of eggs contains XX. A man buys 3 of these crates. So that means 3 multiplied by x. So if one crate has XX, 3 crates is going to have 3xx. Now he finds 12 broken eggs. Now out of those, 12 eggs are broken. So we need to take away 12 eggs away from them to find out how many eggs are left, which are not broken, which are unbroken. Now when we do that, the man finds that he has 39 good eggs which are unbroken. So we get, when out of 3 crates, when 12 broken ones are taken away, we find that 39 of them were good. We do 3x is equals to 39 minus plus 12. 3x is equals to 39 plus 12 is 51. X is equals to 51 upon 3. X is equals to 17. We find that how many eggs can each crate contain? We knew that each crate contained XX, and we know X is 17, so that means each crate contains 17 X. Let's try another question. The question says a bag contains blue, orange, and red jelly beans. There are a total of 54 jelly beans in the bag. All right. Beg your pardon, there's a typo in a question. Let me rewrite that again. Yeah, okay, so the question says a bag contains blue, orange, and red jelly beans only. There are 6x blue jelly beans, 2x minus 3 orange jelly beans, and 15 minus x red jelly beans. There are a total of 54 jelly beans in the bag. And part A says how many orange jelly beans are there in the bag? A bag contains blue, orange and red jelly beans only. There are 6 blue jelly beans, 2x minus 3 orange jelly beans and 15 minus x red jelly beans, and total of them are 44. Now we know that the total jelly beans comprise of the red ones, the blue ones and the orange ones. Now let's try to substitute this with values or variables. We know that the total are 54, so instead of total I'm going to write 54. We know that red jelly beans are, there are 6. We know that 15 minus x red jelly beans are there, so we can write 15 minus x, and we'll always use a bracket to substitute something. It is always a silly mistake proof method to use brackets. Now we know that blue jelly beans are 6x. Let's again use a bracket. And we know that orange jelly beans are, blue are 6x, orange jelly beans are 2x minus 3. Let's start solving that. 54 is equal to 15 minus x plus 6x plus 12 plus 2x minus 3. Let's write 15 and minus 3 all together, and let's write other coefficients all together. 54 is equal to 15 minus 3 is 12. Minus x plus 6x is minus 5x. We write plus 2x as it is. 54 is equals to 12 minus 3x. 3x is equals to 12 minus 54. 3x is equals to minus 42. X is equals to minus 42 upon 3. X is equals to minus 14. So we have the value of x before us. Let me check for silly mistakes. 15 minus x. Beg your pardon, this should have been a plus 5x. Let me fix the silly mistake up. Alright, so minus x plus 6x is a plus 5x, so 54 is equals to 12 plus 7x. 7x is equals to 54 minus 12. 7x is equals to 42. X is equals to 42 divided by 7. X is equals to 6. So we have the value of x, but the question was asking for how many orange jelly beans were there. We knew that the number of orange jelly beans was 2x minus 3. So number of orange was 2x minus 3. We know the value of x, so we plug in the value of x instead of x over here. It's going to be 12 minus 3. It's going to be 9. So the number of orange jelly beans are 9.